Friends, welcome back to the channel. So I was thinking recently that I would really love to do like a vloguary type thing, just a vlogging challenge in January. I, of course, wanted to do a Vlogmas back in the holiday times, but I knew that that wasn't going to be realistic for me, so I kind of just threw in a couple Vlogmas type vlogs throughout the month, but I was not in a place where I could do any kind of vlogging challenge. But I thought January might be a fun time to do a vlogging challenge. But at the same time, I'm not sure that I'll be able to pull it off. So I'm not making any commitments, but I'm just gonna try to vlog more. Planning on throwing in more vlog type videos. Not gonna commit to a video every day, but if it happens, cool. So today is actually New Year's Day, and I expect I will have some stuff that I'm gonna be doing in the kitchen, so I'll be bringing you along with that, and just kind of have the camera on whenever something exciting is happening, and we'll just bring you along. Since I started my baby blanket project, it's gotten the girls interested in crocheting again. So Renee is practicing her chain. That is a very long chain. And Charity, what are you making?
A blanket for Froggy.
A blanket for little Froggy. I love it.
Pepperoni, so I got bacon bits.
You didn't find pepperoni, so you got bacon bits.
And I bought it because I'm going to cook it.
You're going to cook your bacon.
What's this?
Okay. I was thinking about cooking some bacon though. Would you like to wait to have like bacon slices?
Nah, because I'm having these.
You'd rather have bacon crumbles. Okay.
Ooh, that's what? And get 3 more scoops in that.
3 more scoops?
Yeah.
That is so much. I don't think you're going to be able to eat that much.
That's 3 more.
Okay, that was 3 more. You spilled a little on the counter.
Boop, boop, bah.
Okay.
I eat one at a time. This one, and then this one, and then this one.
Yeah. Did you make your whole breakfast this morning by yourself?
Yes.
I cannot believe that. You must be getting really big.
I am. Wow, look how much that is. That's the one. Ow. That's so chewy.
Hmm. For breakfast, I made some creamy scrambled eggs. Just cooked them low and slow and kept them a little bit more creamy with some heavy cream and some smoked salt and some bacon on the side. I like to make creamy scrambled eggs and then use the bacon as a chip to dip. And the creamy scrambled eggs are like a dip. So that is my first meal of the day.
And I'm hungry, so I bring these outside.
What are you eating right now?
Lemons.
Yeah?
The tasty.
Are they?
Mm-hmm.
Show me how tasty they are. Take a big old bite.
I like to drink the juice out.
You do, okay. And yeah, we got to go outside and get the goats out, right? So you like it? Is it good or not?
Good.
Okay. What?
I can use the chainsaw.
Is he? No, I'm not going to use it right now. You got your snack?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Can't go outside without a snack.
Mom, I just put my hand on the thing where I can jump off of the log, and I just put my hand on it, and then I put one foot up, and then my other one.
Nice job. I guess so. He thinks I have treats for him.
Oh.
Get him to where he needs to go. Little goat herder.
Let's go.
Renee's got her treat bucket, and so now Toro will follow her, and she has to stop and give him a treat every few steps, and then he'll follow her where she needs to go. So we have some sad news on our homestead. We have lost Cedar, our cat. This is Maple. Hey, Maple, where you going? And that's Cedar's sister. We had brother and sister. And Cedar disappeared probably 6 weeks ago now, maybe more. And so we don't have a lot of hope that he's still with us. I mean, it's possible he could still show up somewhere, but it'd be unlikely that he just like ran off to start a new life, because he and his sister were so like two peas in a pod, always together. So anyways, we haven't found any remains or anything, nothing for sure. I posted on some like Facebook lost and found pet groups and stuff, but we have not heard anything. So we're very sad. We still have Freddie and we still have Maple. They're not the best of friends though, which is sad. They need to join together and, I don't know, support each other. But yeah, sad news. We lost poor Cedar, and everyone's still trying to come to terms with that.
Hey, Mom.
Hey.
Can I take my sock off so my sock doesn't get wet? I don't go in there.
Man,
Yeah.
why do you want to get your feet all wet?
Because I want to.
Just step in there and see if it goes to the top of your boot.
Well, my papa's supposed to break.
Yeah. Oh, you're good so far. Oh, you think new boots will fix it?
Yeah, because those got too much water in it.
Yeah. Well, it's too bad no one warned you that that would happen before you did it.
Yeah.
It's too bad.
So cold water.
I told you.
I need new pants too.
Yeah, I think you do.
Where did you step in the creek?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
On accident?
No, on purpose. And now he wants to get bigger boots on and go back and do it again.
He's crazy.
He's crazy. So today was going to be a pretty normal day until I saw a posting on a local Facebook group about puppies. And we have been wanting to get a second dog for a while. Izzy needs a friend, and we've just kind of been waiting, not in a huge rush, to find the right one. And this listing came up. I sent it to my husband, and we're going to go check them out. There's 6 little puppies. They are half full German Shepherd. So the mom's full German Shepherd. The dad is half German Shepherd, half Husky. And they are so cute. Oh my gosh. So we are going to head over there and check them out. Of course, all the kids have their heart set on it now. We will see how it goes. You guys don't want to go look at puppies, do you?
No, I would hate to. Hate it. Sounds horrible.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
Oh, what sweeties. Oh, okay. And we were hoping to meet the mom and dad if possible.
Okay.
They're so calm. They're so calm. All right.
Look at him. I want to get him.
I think so.
Everybody votes on
He's
him.
being so sweet.
Everybody votes on him.
I think so. And so you changed your mind now?
Yes.
Oh, good.
But I still want
Because
him.
you want all of them.
Yeah, I still want the other one.
All right. Should we take him home?
Yes. Yes.
All right, let's do it. Seriously. Are you just a little bit excited?
No, I'm a lot excited.
A lot excited.
Oh, he's so cute.
It looks really big right now.
Yeah.
Oh, dear.
He's so big.
The mom and dad weren't bigger than Izzy, though.
So did you have your pick of all 6?
No, there were only 4 there. There was a car that was leaving right when we got there, and she said that 3 little boys had just been there playing with the
How many
puppies.
boys? You had one boy left?
No, 3 boys and only
Oh.
1 girl left. So the 2 people had taken the girls.
To Maple. No, she's not. I'm not trying to hold her nicely.
Are you guys?
That's the
having fun?
picture of a boy being mean to a cat. He can be mean all he wants.
Seriously.
Yeah, he threw up twice and partly on my pants.
Hold on,
Hey, buddy.
let me take a picture so I can tell people how horrible my life is.
Yeah. Are you gonna go potty or what?
Do you have a chicken allergy? I don't know.
Do you need to go potty? Oh, you just look like a bear. You just look like a little bear. You coming to check out the new addition to the family? Oh, he peed on the floor already.
He did?
Wow, that was quick.
Where?
Okay, come here, quick.
What is going on?
Turn the light on then. Is this ours?
Yes.
Oh my gosh!
It's part husky.
It's 1/4 husky.
You can open it on.
Oh my gosh.
We haven't decided on a name yet.
I want to name him Eustace.
How old is he?
Like 8 weeks.
Oh my goodness, he's such a sweetie. But oh my.
Look at how cute he is.
Doesn't his face?
He's got
Doesn't his
hiccups.
face look like a bear?
got
Oh,
I have to go.
you've got the hiccups. Yeah. He'll be here when you get back.
Look at his little hiccups. What's Izzy? Can we have this Izzy?
We're not gonna name it Izzy too. That would be very confusing.
Izzy. Aunt Izzy.
No, there's
There's Izzy.
no, that would be too confusing.
Too confusing.
We're still trying to decide on a name. We'll decide soon.
Crazy.
He's part German
The
Shepherd.
dog is just like, I want to take a nap. They both have brown eyes.
Yeah, they do.
So majestic. Hello, Izzy. Hi, new dog.
He looks.
Hi, new dog. Hi, Izzy. Looks like he has one big triangle on his head.
Yeah, they cross over each other.
On his head.
Yeah, it's like a triangle on his head,
It's one giant ear.
and one goes down and one goes up.
Looking at my face.
Oh my goodness.
Why is everybody here? It's spot.
He's kicking his foot when you see a spot on his chest.
Do you want to look at your ball?
Aww.
Do you want to look at your ball?
Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, he's hanging his leg. So happy. Yeah, you got me. You got him.
Are you all clean from your bath? Are you all clean now? Oh yeah.
I think he likes me.
I think he loves you.
There's a spot on the counter.
And I brush you every day now.
You want to take him back, Cherry?
No,
Why not? We don't have Izzy.
we still don't have enough dogs.
What?
We still don't have enough dogs. I would get 100 puppies if I could. I wouldn't. That would be too many. Yeah, I would actually not. I would have to feed 100 puppies every
But 2's not enough, Charity?
2 is not enough.
How many is enough?
At least 7.
7.
I think
It's a good prime number. I
one
like
for
the
each
prime
acre
number.
of our property.